Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this simple blanket pattern. It's only 2 rows repeating, but actually 1 row, because the second is always the same single crochet chain 1. This is back side and this is front side. This big loop, so beautiful, so simple and so fast crocheting. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for your kind comment. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple blanket pattern. Let's start to crochet. I use in this pattern size 3 yarn. Yarn category is 3, and they recommend us for this yarn using 4 or 5 millimeter hook, but I want to use 6 millimeter hook. Because this stitch belongs with single crochet, so I don't want to make it so tight. Okay, for this pattern you need multiples of 2, so you need even number. First of all, make a slip knot. Then I want to make a sample for this. You can make your baby blanket minimum 90 or 1 meter, 90 centimeter or 1 meter. If you want to make a throw, you need minimum 130 centimeter minimum. You will make your chains these centimeters: 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then turn my chains, and you can see here back loops. Skip this very first here, start from the second one, insert in it, grab my yarn and make single crochet. Grab my yarn, single crochet. I will make single crochet in every each stitch. Here. I made single crochet in it. This is the first row. Then chain 1 and turn your work, not count this chain as a stitch, insert into the same stitch and make single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one, make single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one and make single crochet. This is the second row, and this is your first repeating row. Skip 1, insert next one, chain 1, skip 1, insert next one, chain 1, skip 1, insert next one. Your last stitch, your single crochet. This is your second row, and this is your first repeating row. Chain 1, skip 1 and make single crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work, not count, and make your single crochet. Second stitch is single crochet, make a single crochet on single crochet. When you come to chain 1 space, yarn over and skip this row, come to one before of this, the first row, insert that single crochet, not this chain 1 space. In the first row's stitch, grab your yarn, lose it, pull through all together. Next stitch, single crochet, make it usual. Then yarn over, skip this chain 1 space, come to first row stitch here, grab my yarn, lose it and pull through. Single crochet, yarn over, not in this space, in the stitch I insert, grab my yarn, lose it. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Look at that, it seems we have a little stitch and big stitch, little loop, big loop. Next one as usual, yarn over next one, not in space, in the stitch I insert, grab my yarn, I have 3 loops, pull through. As usual, yarn over, not in stitch, one before first row's stitch I insert, not here, insert here, grab my yarn, lose it, I have 3 loops, pull through all together, make it loosey. In the stitch, usual single crochet. When I come to space, yarn over, not in space, first row stitch, grab my yarn, lose it, pull through all together. In the stitch, not in this space, again, in the stitch, last stitch is single crochet. This is your second repeating row. That's it. Now chain 1, turn my work, in the same stitch make single crochet, chain 1, skip this big loop stitch, insert the single crochet and make single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, insert in it, chain 1, skip 1, insert in it, chain 1, skip 1, insert in it, chain 1, skip 1, insert, chain 1, skip 1, make single here, chain 1, skip 1, make single. Last border stitch is single crochet, you know. Chain 1 and turn your work. One more time I will show you. Not count that, insert into the same and make a single crochet. When I come here, you know, this is usual single, make single. When we come to the chain 1 space, yarn over, not in this space, we have here big loops, you see, insert this big loop, grab my yarn, I have 3 loops, pull through all together. In single crochet, yarn over, not in this space, insert that big loop here, look at this, we have here V, not in this space, into that V, grab your yarn, pull through all together. In the stitch, we have here V, insert in it, lose it, pull through all together. In the stitch, yarn over, not in this space, in this big loop here, lose it. In the stitch, usual single, not in the space, not here little space, you see these big loops, insert in it, lose it, 3 loops, pull through all together. In the stitch, yarn over, not here, not here, in these big loops, I insert, grab my yarn, lose it, I have 3 loops, pull through all together. In the stitch, make single crochet, not in this chain 1, again, in this big V, I insert, grab my yarn and lose it, I have 3 loops, pull through all together. My last stitch is usual single crochet, you know. That's it, chain 1 and turn. In the first stitch, make single crochet, chain 1, skip this big loop, in the single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, next one. That's it. I will make it more bigger and turn to you and I will show you. It's so simple, only 2 rows repeating. I complete and turn. I repeat it a few times and you can see that I think these big loops looks great. Hope you like it and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.